In this video, I'll show you how you can get free credits on Base44. There is actually a couple of ways you can earn credits, so I'm gonna show you each. So first method is by referring friends. So go to top right corner and click on your workspace, then click on refer friends. And as you can see, if you share this link to your friends and they publish their app with your link, you can earn 10 credits. And they also receive 10 credits. So that's the first method, how you can earn credits. Then the next method is by sharing your app. So click on apps and choose, for example, your app, what you want to share. Then click on top left corner, click on this Base44 icon. And from here, choose win free credits. So from here, you can earn 20 free credits for basically just sharing your project. So you can share it on LinkedIn or Twitter. So what you need to do is write at least 200 characters about your experience. You must have at least 100 followers. You need to add some screenshot or video of your project, but that's optional. And also you need to take Base44. Then once you have it, you need to click on support system. And then you need to fill ticket. So I'm gonna open ticket, select category. You can click on social post bonus credits, click on it. Then you need to type something like you completed all steps with sharing your app, and then you need to submit ticket. And once they review it, they will give you 20 credits. So that's the second way how you can get credits. Now the third way is most difficult, but you can earn biggest amount of credits for this one. So what you need to do is head over to integration tab and then click on create integration. And if you create a public integration that gets approved, Base44 will reward you with 250 credits. So you need to fill these integration details. So for example, integration logo, description, name. So you can create some integration which will convert text to images, for example. And then once the Base44 approves your integration, they will give you 250 credits. So those are the ways how you can earn free credits. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.